Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide notification content from lock screen on Android. Simply just swipe up your Android device, just tap on its settings. Now just finding notification status bar. After you will see the option is lock screen notifications. Just tap on it. Now we will just tap on it this second option which is called hide content. So I will just select it, and if you want to just hide it content all, so just turn it off lock screen notifications as well. And if you just turn it on, or you will just show content, so just tap on it, and this is the gear icon you will see. If you want to show the specific applications that can show you content, so make sure you will just have to turn it on. So that's it. So in this way you will just have to hide notification content from lock screen on Android. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.